Today I am going to show how to design a water bottle. I designed this water bottle. Just I will show how to design this and how did I design this. Just I will show this as a editable file. So I made it from a reference image, and the first time I made it from this. Okay, this is our main image. I have to hide all this. Until this. And just this is the first step of this water bottle. Just I am to show this height and this height, this everything, and drag it. So I show it first. I sketch it this height is 170 and diameter is 45, this radius 25. Then I get this revolve. Okay, then I create this fillet in the bottom side. Then I create this. I will show this just like it. I make it first step. Then I create this. Just show this offset. And there is solid body. There are only one solid body. Then I make it again this. Okay. Now see, there is two body, neat surface and there is main body. Okay. This is the neat surface. There is two part, just one part. Complete part. This water bottle, how much water will carry by this bottle? Just now I will calculate this. So I go to this material, right click, edit material. And I go to, there is many material, so I choose material from this chart and scroll down this. I go to this, there are other non-material. Okay, non-material, there are air, ceramic, corrugated paper, glass. I choose water and apply and close. Now you can see this is the water. You can think as the ice. Okay, now I will calculate how much weight of this water. So I will go to this evaluate, choose this mass, and I choose this surface neat. Surface neat this means this is the inside of the water bottle So our mass is 10,071 gram, means almost 1 liter of water it will take. Okay, just cancel it. Now I show this, and I can show another file step by step this until this. Okay, and go to this until this. I worked many on this, so now I change our material. Right click, go to edit material. Now I choose this material, other material, go to this, I choose steel, yes, LS steel, apply, close. Okay, now see, it is looking fine. Again, just go to extrude cut. Yeah, I worked many steps to make this. So actually, if I want to make a video for this complete bottle, how did make it, this video will be so long, so it will not watch any person. That's why I didn't want to show everything. Just I show this bottle. If you want to know how to design, or if anyone needs such type of bottle or any kinds of 3D product, you can contact me with my Gmail. My Gmail is available in the description. Please, you can check my description to get my Gmail to contact with me. So thank you for watching.